Hello everyone, so if you want to add, remove apps or add up some widgets and basically modify your home screen on your Android device, here's how to do that. So let's start with removing the widgets. Removing and adding the apps. So first of all, here is some apps on your home screen. In order to remove it, simply hold your finger on it, swipe up and press remove. If you want to uninstall it completely, hold your finger, drag it to uninstall, confirm your choice. Easy as that. To bring back the application to your home screen, open up your apps folder. If your phone has it, of course, hold it and simply bring it to any of the app screens which you have. Now it's here, so as you see, we can switch them. We can hold it and move to any other app screen or to any other position of this app screen anytime. So as you see, it's pretty easy. Now if you're going to hold your finger and see this pop-up menu, you can choose home settings, and here you can adjust if you want to add app icons to home screen automatically for the new apps, some Google apps, suggest overview suggestions. Then you can manage your notifications, for example, notification dot on app screen if you want to, notification soothing, hidden notifications in the status bar. So as you see, there may be many different options, such as bubbles, for example. It's maybe convenient. Now let's talk about widgets. Well, it's pretty easy. Simply hold your finger. You'll see this popped up menu again. Confirm your choice by pressing widgets. So here you can see the list of different widgets. They all function pretty much the same. So let me show you some example with the clock widgets. For example, simply choose your clock, tap on this arrow to see the list of different variations if your application or whatever you are using supports it. Now, for example, let's add up this stacked clock. Now let's add up this analog clock. I like it. So simply hold it and drag it to any of your home screens. For example, right here. Now, if it's available, you will be put into notification scale. So here we can select the clock fade, let it be day. There it is. We can always rearrange it. If you're going to hold it, as you see, we can rearrange it, make it smaller or bigger. Let's tap on this pencil icon to see more settings, and basically that's it. The settings may vary from phone model to phone model and from widget to widget. Also, you can create some folders if you're going to long press any app and drag it onto another and release. The folder is going to be created. You can hold your finger on the folder's name to rename it. For example, something like this. And that's it. If you want to remove application from the folder, simply drag it out of the folder and the folder is going to be decreated if less than 2 applications are still in the folder. And basically that's it. I hope this video was helpful. Thank you so much for watching. Have a great day and please consider subscribing to our channel.